Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews. Today we're here, New Kingston, Kensington Crescent, close to the NCB towers. This is the North Tower here. So today we're basically taking a look at another apartment construction. So this is Kensington Crescent. Alright, when I'm finished, I'll drive back to the main so you guys see how to get to the property. Alright, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Subscribing is free. Remember to leave your comments as well in terms of what you think about this construction. And definitely like and share so that the video can reach more people. So let's take a closer look at the property. Alright, so this street have a lot of apartment complex. Up the road you have this Casa de, that look like Casa de Barvan. So that's right here. That's up the road from the property that's under construction right now. And then down a little bit more you have Tiffany Manor. Alright, let's get a little bit closer to the property. I know some persons are saying that should include the price of the properties. I don't have the price of this one, but I'm sure if you guys are interested, you can do your research. This one is financed by the Jamaica Mortgage Bank. First, I'm seeing the mortgage bank financing one of these so far. I'll show you guys some pictures as well of the finished product. So this one is Kensington Gate. See, comprises of 40 luxury studios. Our 44 luxury apartment. So again, leave your comment, guys. Leave your comment in terms of what you think about the property. Remember to like and share as well. Alright, so I'll take a drive now. So to show you how to get here, so I'll take a drive. Alright guys, leave a comment, share, like, and let's take a drive now. Alright guys, so now we're gonna take a drive back to Oxford Road just to show you guys how to get here basically. Again, just let me know what you think about this property. It's another construction in Kingston. Previously in the video you see the real estate agency that you can definitely contact if you're interested. We saw a picture of the finished complex as well, and we've seen that the Jamaica Mortgage Bank is doing the construction. So it says what, 44 luxury studios. So good location, central location. Let's take a drive.
Jamaica left.
So we're now on Oxford Road. We're coming off Oxford Park Avenue. That's where the apartment is, Oxford Park Avenue in intersection with Kensington Crescent. We're passing ATL, heading to Alfred Tree Road, heading to Emancipation Park. So I'll be ending the video shortly. So remember to leave your comment, like, share, so other persons can see. If you're new, subscribe. Subscribing is free, and that will help the channel to grow as well. So thanks for watching, and let's go on to the next video.